Hello and welcome to today's tutorial by Quick Tutorial. Today I'm gonna talk about connection issues in LMMS. And yeah, before we get into the video, I just want to ask you for a small favor. So if you wanna support the channel, just leave a like, subscribe to the channel, comment, do anything, share the video. I would really appreciate it. And if you find my video in any case helpful, I really would enjoy a share or comment, like anything. And yeah, so another thing before I start is that I'm gonna show you some easy quick fixes at the beginning of the video, and the fixes will get more advanced later into the video. So I want you to stick to the video, skip the passages you already tried or you already know about. And yeah, so the first thing I want to do, or I want to recommend you, is to check for physical connectivity issues if you have connection issues in your program. So basically what that means is that I'm using Ethernet, I'm using an Ethernet cable. So I want you to look to your PC or laptop and check if the cable has any damage or isn't like perfectly put in. And not only I want you to check your side of the one side of the cable. So I also want you to look at the router, the Wi-Fi router, the internet modem, and check if there's any damage on the cable and if it's perfectly plugged in as it should be. So if you're using Wi-Fi, I want you to run a quick speed test. So I'm gonna open this up on my second monitor. I'm using Okla. I'm not sure if that's pronounced correctly. So basically, you just press go. It's in German here for me, but if I press go, it will check my connection, and yeah, it's not starting for some reason. Yeah, as you can see, my internet is pretty good because I'm using cable. But if you're using Wi-Fi, if you're using cable, it's always a good idea to do a quick speed test. And yeah, also check your uploads. It can be pretty important for some projects, some programs which upload something into the cloud or something. And yeah, so as you can see, my internet is pretty good. Can't complain. I'm just gonna close this real quick. And when it comes to Wi-Fi, I want to check if your internet is good enough to support your PC. And if you have multiple devices connected, I want you to turn off the Wi-Fi, for example, on your phone, your iPad, your Android tablet, anything. And I also want you to look if the Wi-Fi connection is strong enough to run the program. I mean, if you have connections issues, maybe you should relocate to a room closer to your internet modem, or put the modem or internet relay closer to your PC. And yeah, moving on, if this fix didn't help you, I want you to restart your router. Basically what you want to do is you want to press the off button. It's different for it's different for every router, but basically there will be an on and off button. I want you to press it until all lights on the router go out, and then I want you to wait for a few minutes, then turn it back on. You can also unplug the power cable, but first turn it off so there's no damage to the router. There will be no damage done to the router. And yeah, you can also call your internet provider if you see on your router that there's any issue. And if you have done that, I want you to go to your firewall. I'm using Windows Defender, so you can use another, or maybe you use another firewall, for example Bitdefender or something. I can't give you any insights right now, but oftentimes, for example, I have inbound rules here. You see I have a lot of games. I play a lot of games in my free time. Small fun fact for me. But you see that I allowed all these connections to happen, and basically if there is like an issue, it can be the reason for that can be your firewall. So I want you to check if all connections necessary for your program to run are allowed within your firewall. Yeah. And if you have done everything I just asked, I just want you to go down to your internet symbol right on your taskbar. And go to troubleshoot problems. Basically, what you want to do is select your Wi-Fi, or in my case, my cable. It's a Ethernet 2. Go to next, and it will show you this screen. So basically what you want to do is check if the problem is fixed. Basically, if there's a problem, it will check if it's fixed and then show you if everything is fixed. So here, okay, my Ethernet is working fine, so I think that's not a problem at all. For some reason there was a problem found, but I really don't care. You close the troubleshooter, but you can also do this over settings and über network and internet. You will also find properties. I think it's properties. No, it's not properties. Wait. Okay, to network to. No, you go back. Give me 1 sec. Oh yeah. No. Oh, I'm blind. So what you want to do is you go to network troubleshooter and diagnose and fix network problems. You want to press that. That's basically the same as pressing right click down here and go to troubleshoot. So yeah, that's gonna be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and leave a like, comment, subscribe. Have a lovely day. Goodbye.